To obtain a coupon code for the Duolingo English test, you can follow these simple steps. Start by opening a browser on your preferred device. In the search bar, type Duolingo coupon to find various websites offering coupon codes for Duolingo. Choose any website you prefer from the search results. Once on the website, you'll see a variety of promo codes, offers, and deals for Duolingo. Select the coupon code that interests you and tap on it. This will reveal the coupon code. Tap on Copy to save the code for later use or tap on Redeem at site to use it immediately. If you choose to redeem it later, it will redirect you to the official Duolingo webpage. Log into your account or create a new one if you don't have an account yet. Once logged in, navigate to the premium versions of Duolingo and apply the copied coupon code during checkout. This will allow you to redeem the coupon code and enjoy any applicable discounts or offers. That's it! You've successfully obtained and redeemed a coupon code for the Duolingo English test.